Good morning, investors. I am Abby Butel representing Cube Incorporated today, and our slogan here at Cube is "Let's start thinking outside the cube," and that's exactly what we are going to do today. Our accounting team is made up of myself, Jae Hung, Colin, and Jordan. And we are here to ask you today for a $166,000 investment to help us launch our new service. Our service will allow our customers to customize their puzzles by choosing the color and having the option to engrave their name or company logo into it. So below you can see a picture of our customized 3x3 cube. Traditionally, the 3x3 cube is painted black and stained brown, but you can see that this cube is painted green and gray, which was what your investment will allow us to do for our customers. We are planning to pay back the $166,000 investment over 5 years at the 8% required return rate, which will give you a grand total of a profit of $77,887.95. And why would Cube want to offer a customization service? Because there are more and more studies that are showing our target market, which is ages between 16 and 24, wanting more customization. And Deloitte ran a study on those exact age groups, showing that 1 in 4 customers are willing to pay more for a customized product. 42% are wanting more customized products. 36% are already interested in buying customized products. 48% are willing to wait longer just to get the product their way. And why are we going to start this for our company? Like I said before, our target market is wanting more customization and personalization, which will increase our sales and increase our profit. Our consumers are wanting to create their own vision of their product, make it their own. They don't want just a product that they can buy from Walmart or Target on the shelf. They want something that is theirs. So I'm going to walk you through some of the expenses that we will be incurring for our 3 products that your investment would allow us to cover. So for our 3x3 cube, you can see our traditional model here on the right, but we will have expenses for direct materials, direct labor, and variable manufacturing overhead. Direct materials will include the cost of wood, glue, paint, and our packaging boxes. Our direct labor will have our basic workers' wages and our skilled workers' wages. So our basic workers are usually our assembly workers that will assemble the cubes. And we have 1 engraver that falls under basic. And they are paid $15.46 an hour. Our skilled workers are our inspectors, making sure our products are up to par before they leave our facility, and they are paid $17.17 an hour. And our variable manufacturing overhead includes our factory utilities, equipment maintenance, and workers' comp. So the total direct materials cost for our 3x3 cube is $10,585. The total direct labor we will incur is $72,139. And variable manufacturing overhead for the 3x3 cube is $3,499. So total expenses for the 3x3 cube is $86,223. Now for a 4x4 cube. The cost we will incur for direct materials is $8,392. Direct labor is $35,640. And our total expenses for variable manufacturing overhead is $1,727, with a grand total of $45,759. And last but not least is our 5x5 cube. And direct materials will be $8,042. Direct labor is $24,733, and variable manufacturing overhead expenses is $1,198, with a total of $33,973. So we are projecting to sell 12,000 of our 3x3 cubes, 5,000 of our 4x4 cubes, and 3,000 of our 5x5 cubes. And to do these customization service, we will have to buy the equipment of one engraving machine, which will be a total of $6,441. And we do not have the current capacity to add on these extra sales from our customized products. And so we will need to hire one assembly worker and one engraver. So now, let's start thinking outside the cube together.